We've just had an orange off the tree, haven't we?
Yeah.
And I've just peeled it. I thought I should have recorded that really, but I didn't. Anyway, I've peeled it and I've put it in half. And me and Ari are about to eat it.
I want to eat one. So I'm gonna eat one half, and she's gonna eat the other half.
I can take it into little segments, I think. Look.
Yes, two I can. I can just have two. Oh, there's a seed in my one. And a seed in my one.
That one hasn't got a seed in it.
Yummy. Sour like.
It's really sour, isn't it?
Yeah. Little oranges are sour, aren't they?
Yeah. Go and give a piece to Daddy, tell him to eat it.
Do you want to try this little orange? Do you want to try this little orange?
Try a little bit.
I'm eating this food, yeah. Why you tried it?
Yeah?
We'll try it in a minute.
Just try it.
Are you
Try it.
filming me on there?
Yeah.
Why?
Just try it.
Stop dipping it.
Yeah, that's right. The people come out.
Sour, isn't it?
Mm.